say Sohail Khan, the owner of Mumbai Heroes. Deep.
Cracker of a shot, this well fielded. And there's a chance of a run out here. Oh, that could have been close. Very awkward throw. Cover position. Take another look at this. Good stop.
Good stop though, but Raja, I think he threw it harder. He's going for a direct hit. He would have been out. He would have hit the stump. But very well backed up by Sharath. I know he's a bit hurt in that. Keeper the other way, waiting to get the ball to his end. He very well opened up. So another wide from Sharath.
आप hit me के साथ बॉल डाल रहे हैं वहाँ पे. ये बेहतर. फील्डर है बाउंड्री रोप पे. प्रोटेक्शन है डीप के अंदर. फील्ड के तहत बॉलिंग करते हुए खेलकर इस बार. स्टार्ट तो अच्छी मिली है. क्या इस मोमेंटम को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं? इस बार कोई रन नहीं. सीधा बडोला के पास गई थी बॉल.
Absolutely.
Oh, that little shimmy from the batsman. Just saw it late, did Sharath. Wanted to keep the ball away from the bat, and that's why he's ended up conceding a wide.
Absolutely. Ended up bowling a wide.
That's going to be runs here, at least a couple. Good effort in the outfield. I think that was Apurva Lakhia with the fielding effort. Did well. He's a left-handed player, Lakhia, so it went towards his... Oh, that's hit hard. There is a fielder at the deep. Just a single this time around. He seems to be in the firing line, Kelkar. That's another delivery that's gone by.
Sharath,
Rajiv के बीच एक अच्छा स्टैंड कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के लिए. अच्छी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स. 4 ओवर समाप्त. स्कोर 35 पर 1.
Wonderful human being, Kicha Sudeep. Always hard-working in every field.
He starts off with a full toss, does Kabir Sadanand. Manoj Tiwari doing the mopping up in the deep. It's just a single. ये पार्ट्स के बारे में जरूर चर्चा करेंगे इस बॉल के बाद. Oh, बड़ा शॉट, बड़ा नतीजा.
Absolutely. I think what Rajiv got the side screen and the main screen as well. That's the one. Stand and deliver. That's the big one from Rajiv.
शिवलाल यादव पवेलियन के अंदर डिस्पैच किया. बड़ा शॉट, करारा शॉट. एक और. इस बार नतीजा वही. 3 बॉल 3 छक्के. देवा खुश ड्रम्स बजाते हुए. कबीर फिलहाल बॉलिंग के ऊपर अपनी बल्ले की छाप छोड़ते हुए. का आंकड़ा भी पार उस 6 के साथ. देवा एंजॉय करते हुए ड्रम्स पे. फिलहाल मुंबई हीरोज के फैंस एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हैं इस ओवर को. 50 तो पहले ही क्रॉस कर लिए थे पिछले 6 के साथ. अब और रन आते हुए 5 वाइड.
The pressure shows it all on the bowler. You know, after getting hit for 3 sixes, and he.
Another one. It's in the air. Kelkar trying to get under it. He can't get there. He's just a bystander. The 4th 6 of the over.
That is Rajiv for you, Raman. Absolutely, he's a strong lad. He's been playing consistently First Division League in Bangalore in Karnataka, and he's too good.
Well, it's officially now been declared a no-fly zone over Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, with Rajiv hitting those big sixes now. Any airborne objects, beware. There could be some unidentified cricket balls in the sky. They're appealing for a caught behind there, and it's given. Kabir Sadanand has the last laugh. He finally gets his man on the last ball of the over.
Finally, after getting hit for 4 sixes.
50 runs coming off it. Let's take a look at the dismissal again. Slightly short, quicker as well, off the top edge. Sharp catch by the keeper, Shakib. You've got to give him credit. It's never easy to latch on to those when they come off
Very good evening to everybody watching this very interesting match. The last over, as everybody saw, was a very expensive over. 4 sixes and 30 runs gone in that particular over. Apurv Lakhia is the new man in with the ball. Acclaimed director, directed movies such as Shootout at Lokhandwala, has also been part of certain Hollywood projects where he has served as the assistant director. But his bowling skills and his batting skills will be at play and under the scanner today. And let us remind you that the Bulldozers won the toss and decided to bat first.
Yeah, in fact, the heroes wanted to field. That's exactly what Varun said. That had they also won the toss, they would have fielded first. So both the teams getting what they wanted. Bulldozers wanted to bat first. Sudeep knows that yesterday they couldn't muster too many runs. Just lost their way in the last 5 overs, the Bulldozers. But today it's a new day. They've got to make a new beginning. That's exactly what they have done so far.
And Ajay, the graph for the Bulldozers has ascended in a very dramatic fashion. 6 runs gone in the first. Second gave away 7 runs. In the 5th over, it almost reached 30 runs. And the way they have actually clinically increased, the slack and the expansion on the ball is something which is worth noting.
Just seen him in the past as well. Apurv Lakhia is a very seasoned campaigner. Just see young kids coming in, enjoying his lovely settings here. The big final also will be played today. First league matches, and then of course the big final today evening. Karnataka strike. Bulldozers, they have done a good job so far. Just the kind of start they wanted. Wants to be very precise with the field setting. Apurv Lakhia just taking a bit of time at the moment.
Well, he's trying to hit that hard, but Apurv Lakhia done incredibly well. And let's see the 6s that were scored in the last over. And Kabir Sadanan was the guy who actually was hit all over the park by Rajiv. And before we took off back to the dugout, he made sure he did the damage and put the Bulldozers in command.
And the 4th one was this one. Mentioned about the 4 sixes. This was the 4th of them. To see a lovely bat flow up, getting the distance half a dozen more. Very expensive over, but in the end, getting that wicket as well, Sadanan. Back to live action. Coming down the track, good wrist work. He's very strong, skirt of the wicket. Oh, misfield. In the end, just making it. Lot of hesitancy in running there.
Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, home of the Hyderabad Cricket Association, has hosted 9 international matches, 4 test matches and 5 one-day internationals. Was supposed to host Ajay a T20 international as well on the October the 13th, and it was washed out. But nevertheless, a flat track, good for spinners.
Yeah, absolutely you're right. It's a very good batting surface.
One run.
Will be
Ball is in.
one run more, warning the second, but the fielder coming in, charging in quickly. 68 for 2.